That's just satisfying. New apple peeler, there is a brand of it. Let's see how it does. Look at all the gears on the bottom. This is how it's going to work. You see all the gears? I love pretty unique gears. And you see how this whole thing is opens. So we're gonna go in the open position. There's a suction cup. Doesn't work on the table. Okay, got pretty nice apples. Let's see what happens. We're just going to hold it this way. Oh wow, there is even a pusher to push the apple out. Okay, which way am I supposed to spin? Okay, there is a arrow. That's nice, so that way we don't forget which way to spin. You see how it's gonna go around? It's gonna go all the way around the apple. That's how it's gonna reset. Ooh, it bites into it super fast. Wow, this is by far the best apple peeler. It comes off away. So you know what, we're gonna just put it in the back to just hide away the very sharp blade, and then push this out. Nice. This side here is a metal piece and it's on a spring. That's beautiful. Okay, one more time. That was too easy. Nice medium-sized apples. Gonna try to do it right in the middle. And we don't have, as you can see, wow, that's a red apple. We don't have a suction cups here. It works just fine without it. Gonna put it all the way in the back. That's fast. And then push it out. Wow, interesting apples, that's for sure. And we have right here one thick peel. Super fast, not wasting time. So there's the idea of this gadget. We're gonna cut it in half. Boom, stick that butter in here. And then this butter, the unused, we can cover it up and stick it in the refrigerator, and it will not make a mess touching your refrigerator door. You see, you can even put it this way, sideways, whatever. It's kind of nice, keeps your refrigerator a little bit cleaner. And with this gadget, once you're done with this, you put it together like that, and also put it in the refrigerator when you don't use it. When you need to use it, just open it and just flip this over, boom, and then you just butter up your toast or whatever. You can keep on opening this side here all the way down this way once it's turned out, and then close it back up. Boom, very cool, makes sense. All right, let me demonstrate on a toast real quick. Obviously you could do the same thing onto your pan. Just grab it and put it onto the pan, and keeps your hands nice and clean. Again, for example, you got your toast. While it's hot, you can butter it up. Probably it would be better on English muffin or something like that, because on a regular toast the bread is kind of soft. So I'm squishing it a little bit, but makes sense. All right, boom, butter it up in case you don't want too much butter. And once you're done, just close it and put it away. Very unique little gadget right here. Got right here lids, like universal lids. You can use it for like a regular mug or big pots. So you just grab it and wow, you see it lifts up the whole mug full of cold water, so it doesn't have to be steamed or nothing. Boom, you see it? Wow, whoa. So obviously it will slip off. It's not even meant to be like lift up. But yeah, just to show you guys, it works really well. Let's start with the bigger pot. Like you can see there's quite a few of them. In case you need to put it in the fridge, and to prove it to you that it seals it, you see it lifts it. Yeah, it's kind of strong. Let's try to use a bigger one. Okay, press it. Yeah, look at that. The bigger one works really well. So it seals it nice, so the air does not go in there. Very cool. Liftable. The whole pot of water, look at that. Does not come off, and very easy to take it off. So unique. What do you guys think? Very interesting lids. Got right here reusable Ziploc bags. Wow, it tells you how many milliliters in there or whatever. So you have a couple of latchets, very big. Ooh, came off over here. Okay, there you go. That's nice, brand new. Okay, will it stand? Yeah, gotta open it all the way. Doesn't really stand by itself that well, so I guess you kind of have to hold it like this and then pour it in. No problem. Look, takes a full mug of water easily. The reason why I'm using water, so it doesn't look super bad with food. And also I want to put to the test, waterproof test. Look, you can actually grab it like that and hold it. That's crazy. So yeah, it's waterproof. Obviously it's usable. You can probably open it, use it like a pouch and eat out of it or whatever. Pour it back into something. Let's see if you need to pour it into something. Yeah, works really well. Imagine it would be some kind of soup, maybe broccoli, carrots, whatever you wish to put in here. It works really well. Got it here new PBA-free plastic wrap with this very unique dispenser box. Check this out. So you lay it out, then you just grab this. Do you have to push it or just, wow. So you don't even need any kind of gadget anymore. Look at that, it works so well. Then after that, you just grab it by two corners and just pull it out. Lay whatever you need to wrap up. Just for example, let's wrap up one of these things. Then you just pull it through, very sharp, and it locks in here, so it's not loose. And then whatever you gotta wrap up. Very interesting. So let me know in comments below what do you think about this clear wrap gadget. It's pretty much built in itself, and it has this very nice, almost like magnetic, but I guess there's two less sticky glue things that is very sticky. It closes well. Nice. So it's reusable. There's another new one, strawberry chopper. I guess it could be also mushroom chopper, whatever you want it to be chopper. Okay, let's see how it does. Oh, we gotta go this way. Yeah, chopping tomatoes really well. Let's see if it does well with 3 tomatoes. You know what? It can fit 4 tomatoes. Let's see. Kind of squished it a little bit, so maybe like 2 at a time. So if you don't want it to be juiced, or 1 at a time probably will do even best. Wow. That sliced it really well. This is probably for making cakes and such. Oh yeah, strawberry is even better. Doesn't make as much mess. This end obviously very sharp, so be careful. And look at that. It sliced it so well. Just use your imagination. Most likely you'll be using this for cakes. Look at that. Nice. Yeah, looks like the best to lay it flat this way. Boom. Fast. And one more, I want to revisit this one because when first time I made a video of it, it was a little different. As soon as I opened it, I already broke it. Maybe I got a bad egg gadget because all I did is pull on that, what you're supposed to do, and this little part came off. You know what, I'll order it again, the metal one, because obviously the plastic one does not work. It just broke off a piece so easily. You see, this side is like actually does not break. I don't know how that happened, that this side is just broke off so easily. You see, that stain got ruined before the actual plastic broke off on this side. Yeah, so I don't know why it broke so easily. It's a bad egg gadget, but it's supposed to be egg cracker. Definitely plastic one not so good. We'll go with the metal one. We'll try it again in the future. I didn't even know they were making plastic ones. I thought it was just dark color.